Good morning, dear students. Today we will continue with the same lesson of mathematics, that is HCF and LCM. Yes, so today we are going to recall the concept, that is co-prime numbers. Two numbers which have only one as a common factor are said to be co-prime or relatively prime or mutually prime numbers. So what are co-prime numbers? Any two numbers if we take, and if their both common factor is only 1, then we can say that they are co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers are also called relatively prime or mutually prime numbers. So I'll just take one example and explain you what are co-prime numbers. Okay. So suppose if I take the number 10. Yes. What is the number? The number is 10. What are the factors of 10? 10 comes in ones table, isn't it? It comes in its own table, that is 10. Yes. Now the next table, it is divisible by 2. Yes. And any other table, do you get 10? Yes. 2 5s are 10. So we have 10 also in 5s table. Yes or no? So the factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. Did you understand? Now we will see the factors of other number. For example, if I take the other number 21. Okay. What is the other number? 21. Now first 21 comes in ones table and also in its own table, that is 21. Okay. So after 1 we will search for 2. Will it come in 2's table? No. It is an odd number. So it will not come in 2's table. Next table is 3. Will it come in 3's table? Yes. 3 how much, the students? Correct. 3 sevens are. Yes or no? So we can write 7. Yes. Now will it come in 4's table? No. 5's table? No. 6 table? No. So only these 4 are the factors of 21. So the factors of 21 are 1, 3, 7 and 21. Now what is common in these factors? If you will see, then only 1 is common, isn't it? No other number or no other factor is common. So students, we can write here, that is common factor is equals to 1. So what is a common factor? It is only 1. Thus we can say that 10 and 21 are co-prime numbers. Did you all understand? We can say that 10 and 21 are co-prime numbers. So did you understand what is meant by co-prime? Yes. So two numbers which have only one as a common factor, such numbers are called as co-prime numbers. So the sums based on this you have solved in 5th standard. Now did you understood it? Yes. Let us now recall about consecutive natural numbers. So you all know what are natural numbers, isn't it? The numbers which we use for counting, are called as natural number. Counting numbers are called natural number. Now what is consecutive? If the numbers come after one another, then such numbers are called as consecutive natural numbers. For example, if I take 5. So which is the number after 5? Correct. 6. So these are two consecutive natural numbers. Now if I say 71, then which number comes after it? 72. So these two are examples of consecutive natural numbers. Now we have to verify that whether this any two, if you take any two consecutive natural numbers, then we have to verify that whether they are co-prime or no. Okay, so I'll give two examples and we'll identify from it. For example, if I am taking 4 and 5. Now tell me factors of 4. 4 comes in 1's table and its own table. And it also comes in 2's table and no other table, isn't it? So factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. Now the next number. What is the next number? 5. What are the factors of 5? It is a prime number. So factors will be only 1 and that number itself. So 1 and 5 are the factors. Now if you will see the factors of both these numbers, what is common in them? Yes, only 1 is common. So common factor, I will just write CF, okay? Common factor is equals to 1. Now, if two numbers have common factor 1, then did we study that they are co-prime numbers? Yes, so we can say 4 and 5 are co-prime numbers. Now we will take some other example. For example, 54 and 55. Okay, are they consecutive natural numbers? Yes. Now we will check whether these consecutive natural numbers are co-prime or no. So first I will take 54 and I will write down the factors of 54. So see children how to find the factors of 54. So first 54, it will come in 1's table and in its own table. Next, will it come in 2's table? Yes, because at units place there is 4. But 2 how much we will check. So 2's table we will divide that 54. 2 2's are 4. So 1 will remain. Take 4 down. 2 7's are 40. Is it divisible? Yes, because remainder is 0. So 2 how much are? 2 27's are. So we'll write here 27. Now next number. Will it come in 3's table? Yes, because 5 plus 4 is 9. If 9 comes in 3's table, then 54 will also come in 3's table. So we'll check how much are. If you know further tables after 10, easily you can get the answer. But see here, 3 1's are 3. 2 is remaining 4. 3 8's are 24 minus 0 0. So 3 how much are? 18's are. So the factors are 3 18's are. Now, will it come in 4's table? No. 5's table? No. 6's table? Yes. 6 how much are? 6 9's are 54. So, 7's table it will not come in. Also in 8th table it is not divisible by 8. So the factors are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, 27 and 54. Now we will find factors of 55. What will be the factors? First factor will be 1 and last factor will be 55. That means it will come in 1's table and in its own table. Now 2's table, no. 3's, no. Then directly 5's table. 5 how much are? 11's are. So no other table it will come. It is just coming in 1's table, 5, 11 and 55. So these are the factors of 55. Now if you will look at the factors of 54 and factors of 55, can you see any common factor in it? Yes, we can see a common factor in both of them. That common factor is 1. Yes, so we will write here CF, that means common factor is equals to 1. Hence we can say that 54 and 55 are co-prime numbers. So children, always remember, two consecutive natural numbers are always co-prime numbers because they come after each other, no? 54 then comes 55, 4 then comes 5, yeah? 5 then comes 6, 71 then comes 72. So they are coming after each other, means difference between both of them is only 1. So common factor in them also will be 1. We have seen through these two examples. Yes. So two consecutive natural numbers are always co-prime. Let us now learn the next point, that is twin prime numbers. If the difference between two co-prime number is 2, the numbers are said to be twin prime numbers. So now you have learned what are co-prime numbers, isn't it? The numbers which have 1 as the common factor are called as co-prime numbers. Yes. Now, if these two numbers are having difference of 2, then that numbers are called as twin prime numbers. For example, see on the screen, we have 3 and 5, 11 and 13, 29 and 31, etc. Also, if we will take 41 and 43, okay, what we are going to take? Just see on the screen once again. If we take 41 and 43, then 41's factors are 41, 1 and 41. They are prime numbers, no? 43's factors are 1 and 43. Common factors between them is 1. So, they are co-prime. Yes, 41 and 43 are co-prime numbers. Now, if you will see, 43 minus 41 is the difference 2. So, such numbers who are co-prime and difference between them is 2, then this pair is called as a twin prime numbers. Did you all understand here? What are twin prime numbers? So now write down the given notes in your CW. In the previous video, I have given you the earlier notes. After that, you are going to write this notes in your CW in neat and good handwriting. Let us now begin with practice set 10. So, this all questions whatever they have asked in this practice set, we have learnt about it in the previous videos. Yes, in detail I have explained about each and every point for you all, isn't it? So, see the first question. Which number is neither a prime nor a composite number? Can you tell me? Yes, see here the answer is given in the notes. This is the answer. 1 is neither prime number nor composite number. So you have to write that same answer. Last second point. Okay. Now see the next question. Which of the following are pairs of co-prime numbers? So here they have given you 4 questions. From that 2 I will be solving and you will solve all 4. Okay, means 2 whatever I am explaining that you will write, plus remaining 2 also you are going to solve in the CW. Okay, so let's start. Let us now solve this first sum, that is 8 and 14. Okay, so first what we are going to write, that is solution. Okay, so see on the board. First we are going to write the factors of 8. So can you tell me what are the factors of 8? Yes, first 8 will come in 1's table and its own table. So I will write 1 and 8. Okay. Now, will it come in 2's table? Yes. 2, 4's are 8. Next 3's table? No. Means only in these 4 tables we will get 8. Now, next we are going to find factors of 14. So, factors of 14 are, first will be 1 and the last one will be 14. Means it will come in 1's table and it will come in 14's table. Okay. Now, 2's table, will it come? Yes, 2 how much are? 2 sevens are 14. Any other table you will have 14? 3? No. 4? No. 5? No. 6? No. So only these tables we are going to get 14. That is 1, 2, 7 and 14. Now after writing this, we are going to find out common factors between these two numbers. Okay. So we'll write here common factors. So can you tell me what are the common factors here? I will underline it. See here? 1. Yes. So I'll write here 1. Next, any other common factor? Yes, 2. So 2 is also the common factor. So if you will see further, then we don't have any common factor. So we have two common factor, that is 1 and 2. Now these two numbers have two common factors. Then is this the prime pair of co-prime numbers? No. Yes, co-prime numbers have common factor only 1. And these two numbers are having two common factors. So what we will write? Therefore, 8 and 14 are not co-prime or not pair of co-prime numbers. Did you understand? So this was the solution how we are going to solve the question 1. Now we will solve sum number 2. So I have taken 17 and 19. Okay. So first we will find out the factors of 17. What will be the factors of 17? Students, 17 will have only two factors. They are 1 and 17. Can you give me the reason why? Correct. They are 17 is prime number. So its common factors are 1 and the number itself. Now if you will look, then 19 is also a prime number. So its factors will also be like 17. Yes or no? Means see, factors of 19 will be 1 and 19 because it is also a prime number. So it will come in one's table and its own table. So did we get the factors of 17 and 19? Now after finding the factors of 17 and 19, now we are going to write the common factors among both of them or between both of them. Okay. So common factor, what do you get here? Yes, only 1. I am underlining it. So 1 is only the common factor. And if 1 is only the common factor, then both the numbers are said to be pair of co-prime number, isn't it? So children, we can say therefore 17 and 19 are pair of co-prime number. Did you all understand? So here I have solved two sums. You will solve these two sums and remaining 4 sums from your textbook.
Let us now discuss question number 3. List the prime numbers from 25 to 100 and say how many they are. So you have to write the prime numbers from 25 to 100. Yes. And then you have to count them and write how many they are. Okay. So children, yesterday we have studied about this in detail or in the previous video. Yeah. So in that we have studied, I had shown you numbers from 1 to 50. Now I will display the numbers from 1 to 100 and then you can see the prime numbers in it. And we all know that from 1 to 100, how many prime numbers do we have? Yes, we have 25 prime numbers. Now we have to just write the prime numbers from 25 to 100. So now see this list. Yes, this list will help you to identify quickly. This method is called as Eratosthenes method. Okay. So see here, we are having the numbers circled. Okay, so the circle numbers are prime numbers. Now we want prime numbers from 25 to 100. So just go near number 25. So the number 25 is here. After this, where you all can see the circle numbers, the first one is 29. So that will be our first prime number. Then 31, 37, 41, 43, 47. Okay, so see side to the table. The answer for this question will be 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97 are the prime numbers between 25 to 100. Now, the next question was how many they are. So, if you will count, you will get that there are 16 prime numbers. So you'll write, and there are 16 prime numbers between 25 to 100. So did you understand how to get the answer? Okay, now we'll move on to the next question. So the next question is, write all the twin prime numbers from 51 to 100. So what is twin prime number? Two numbers which are co-prime. Okay, but if you will take that two numbers and subtract from each other, the difference should be 2. Yes or no? So that two numbers will be twin prime. So like this you have to select twin prime numbers from 51 to 100. So see on the screen, here I have written the numbers, prime numbers. See in the black pen, this is the list of prime numbers. Okay, so from that we will search which are twin prime numbers. So if you will see, then first two prime numbers in this list are 2 and 3. So now subtract 2 from 3. 3 minus 2 will give us 1. Then this is not the pair. Next, this 5 minus 3, 2. So this is our first pair. Now 7 minus 5, 2. So this will be a second pair. I will use some other color. 5 and 7. So first pair is 3 and 5. Next is 5 and 7. Next 7 you will subtract from 11. 11 minus 7 will give 4. So no. 13 minus 11 will give you 2. So 11 and 13 is the next prime number, twin prime number. Next 17, from that subtract 13, no, 4. 19 minus 17, 2. So this is the next twin prime number. 23 minus 19, we will have 4. So no. 29 minus 23, no, you will have 6. So no. 31 minus 29, yes, so this will be the next prime number, twin prime number. Getting? So what you will do? The greater prime number you will subtract from the earlier one and see. So here in green pen, the down there is a list of twin prime number. 3 and 5, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 29, 31. Now next we will see again. Next 41 and 43. Difference is 2. 47 minus 43, no. 53 minus 47, no. 59 minus 53, no. 61 minus 59, difference is 2. So this is the prime. Next, no. 71, 67, no. So the next one, what it will be? 73 and 71. Yes or no? So here in green pen, we have written the twin prime numbers pair. Isn't it? But what are they asking us, children? They are asking us to write the twin prime pair from 51 to 100 only. So if you will see, these are the previous one. First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs are less than 50. Last two pairs are greater than 51. So students, only last two pairs will be the answer. So what will be the answer? The twin prime numbers between 51 to 100 are 59 61 and 71 73. Got the answer? Now let's move on to the fifth question. Write 5 pairs of twin prime number from 1 to 50. So you want from 1 to 50. Just now we have found all the pairs. Yes or no? From 1 to 100. These are the 6 pairs. From twin prime pairs from 1 to 100. Now they want from 1 to 50 only. So what you will do, if you will see the last two pairs, what are they? 59 61, 71 73. Are the last two pairs greater than 50? So that two pairs we have to cancel. So see here. But they have asked us 5 pair. If we cancel last two, then 6 will remain. So from that 6, any 5 pairs you can write as a answer. So here I have cancelled the last one. So last 3 I have cancelled, and then the answer is the 5 pairs of twin prime numbers from 1 to 50 are 3 and 5, 5 7, 11 13, 17 19, 29 31, 41 43. So 6 I have written. From this any 5 you can select. Okay. So this was the answers till question number 5. Now let's move on to the last question. So the sixth question is, which are the even prime numbers? Answer will be, you can see the last point of our notes, 2 is the only even prime number. So students, here we have finished practice set 10. I hope you have understood it. Complete the practice set in neat and good handwriting in your CW.